So what do you do when your TJ, LJ, YJ, or XJ has this happen? Well, don't panic. It's more than likely a very simple fix.
This is a clutch pedal bushing, and they fail quite often. So, after 25 years, Jeep has come up with something new and different.
And this is Jeep's solution to a 25-year-old problem of this thing, which was obviously designed by engineers with the sole purpose of impressing other engineers. They've come up with something much more simple, which is this. And that part number is 04446361. It's in the current Jeep Chrysler parts catalog as the answer to this. Now, when you order that, it doesn't come complete. There's two other parts that you're going to need, which incidentally they did not have in stock. You also need this bushing, which we acquired at our local Baumgars Tractor Supply. No, it's not a washer, it's actually a bushing. You can see it's very thin, and it doesn't have much of a shoulder. It just slips over the shaft and pins the rod in place. You're also going to require this, which Jeep also did not have in stock. However, it was also available at our local Baumgars Farm and Tractor Supply. So this, and this replaces this. Okay. So this is what Jeep engineers came up with to replace the old snap-on clutch pedal bushing. What they came up with was just this simple bushing right here, which slides through the actuator rod right here, and then this metal bushing snaps over the end of both. Then the whole thing goes on the clutch pedal rod, and then the hitch pin slides up through the existing shaft, making a much more solid connection.
Oh. Okay.
I was recording. That's going in the video somewhere.
This is a clutch pedal bushing, and they fail often. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. This is a clutch pedal bushing, and they fail quite often. So, after 25 years, Jeep has come up with something new and different.
Perfect.